How would you like your career decided by a coin flip?
Here we go.
Thanks to Prop 104, the initiative that puts teacher union negotiations on public display, we now see some of the shenanigans in the collective bargaining process in real time. Here are a few examples. Employment cutbacks being decided by a coin flip, underperforming teachers getting not 2, but 3 chances to keep their jobs, and incoming teachers forcibly required to sit through a meeting about how great the union is. When Prop 104 was passed last November, it was an affirmation that the public desires transparency from their government. The public's ability to watch negotiations unfold between school boards and teacher unions allow us to understand what used to happen behind closed doors. This open process reveals that several aspects of these agreements are designed with the union's self-interest in mind, over any consideration of the interests of students, parents, and individual teachers. Curious about other hidden gems in teacher union contracts? Head over to sunshinek12.org and see for yourself.